So, welcome back to Enlightened Trading. Okay, to give you a heads off, I'm rather, I'd say, I'm completely done. I was out yesterday and I got hammered, as one might say. So don't expect too much of me. I will be slow, and most likely I will stutter, and don't find the words I would like to, and yeah. But you will see yourself. So, okay. So my name is Conrad, and yeah, we'll look at Bitcoin today. Of course, yeah. So there's a lot to talk, a real whole lot to talk. Well, for example, Happy New Year. I think no, I didn't. Yeah. So Happy New Year. I've been busy. I should study right now actually, but I'm not. So there's that. And okay, just looking at if it actually runs. Yes, it does. Okay, so yeah, and I bought an indicator from TradingView. So shout out. I mean, my shoutouts aren't that public. So a shout out to you, Tone. Yeah, maybe I can like mention you in anywhere. I don't know, whatever. So yeah, shout out to you. I got your indicator. Thanks to that, or thanks for that. Um, I watched your videos, or I've been watching his videos, like he's next to me. So I've been watching his videos for, well, I don't know, 1.5 years. Not 2 years. I haven't watched him from the right off the beginning, or right from the beginning. So maybe like 1 year, sure, but I'd say 1.5 years. Sounds legit. So yeah, but anyway, yeah, very nice indicator. I think it can be used uh, for my well-being, and for some good performance stuff and so forth. So okay, so to start things off, well, as you see, on a monthly time frame, this is our first month, and I don't know why I think I have no one I haven't heard anyone mention this. This is our first higher high by candle. As you see, we always had lower highs on a monthly, even or in the month of our big pump. What will be of significance is how this month plays out in volume, and if it also is a higher high compared to our bearish volume. And yeah, so I think this being our first higher high in for 8 months is rather significant. So well, there's that. Also, you know, we found support on an important level. And what chart is this? This is usual. Why? How does it? And what? Oh, okay. I'm dumb. There aren't my moving averages because, well, they yeah, they are. Oh, this is nice actually. I didn't see this. To not enough candles. So yeah, this is the monthly. It looks decent actually. And on the weekly, it gets actually very interesting. We're in this channel, and yeah, have been for 8 months now. So this is now our, well, fourth, fifth, sixth, however you draw this touch of this channel, and I think there's a rather big likelihood that we have the potential to break it. And what I actually just see yet is every touch after our two highest weeks at the top has been a 1. and has closed as a 1. So I mean, this is Sunday, so most likely, or I think it's most likely that we close in this vicinity. And yeah, what I haven't drawn is, yeah, and also what I have so many things to talk about. I'm sorry, this video will be very long most likely, but I just have to do this. I think it's, well, it's about time that we could see very healthy growth in Bitcoin's price, and I just owe this to so many people out there who have been helping me, most likely only by, or I mean, videos, for example, have been very helpful, and I just owe it to these people to do this. They have helped me so much, and I want to give back in any shape or form. And what I can do right now, at least, is make these videos. And I don't know, maybe I will help like some of you, whatever. I just hope to. And yeah, as I said, I owe it to so many people in this space and trading in general who helped me grow. And yeah, so that's very cool, of course. Yeah, and okay, so one thing of, I think also I will mention this in a later video, is that this consolidation consisted out of like 28 weeks and bars, and this is now also our 28th week. So this could be of high significance. Please run this video like with 0.25 at least speed. Man, yeah, yeah, I'm so slow, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, 28 weeks. Also now our 28th week. Yes, this was very much more contained and yeah, almost perfect. Actually. Yeah, and we broke resistance very nicely back then, and we are now more and more in a downtrend. This is actually like a mini bear market. I think that's a nice way of putting things. But this is Bitcoin, and we can make up like 2 months in as you see, like 2 weeks. So I mean 2 months. This was like eight, but people very much underestimate strength of Bitcoin. And yes, of course we can go lower, but man, I don't think it's actually too likely. I think it's very likely that we will bounce in this vicinity. I think many people have been looking for like 4,500, 5,500, like this sort of range. Also this bottom right here, but I think like 6,400 is awesome as a bottom, in my opinion. I also bought in this vicinity. I think I had a order a bit below, but whatever. I've been trading, and I actually been quite successful with trading in the last weeks and two months, like 1 month. I've made a big mistake yesterday. Lost like 200 euros, sort of thing. I mean, lost. I put in a trade, not Bitcoin, but Bitcoin Cash, and I bought too much. I wasn't aware of what I'm doing. I just bought too much. I looked at the wrong number of the worth I'm trading, of, or how the amount I'm trading is worth. That's what I meant. And yeah, dumb mistake. I just hope I won't do it again. But man, I'm quite confident. I'm quite confident that I will make all of it back. Yeah, I'm very confident about that. Actually. So yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is important. This is now our first one, or our first one. This is now our one on the weekly time frame. If we get a week, if we get a 2 above a green one, a green 2 above a green one, then by also then breaking this 21 weekly moving average, which was extremely significant in the past. As you see, all the highs got rejected in this area in the past, like immense, like perfect support for the price. I mean, yeah, you can exaggerate about this, and I don't want to, but like very nice indicator. And also, like, look at this, how perfect price gets rejected every time it touches. Like, look at this and that, and after we broke it, yes, we fell below it again, but also then, like, very significant support and resistance, like for many years actually. So I think this is very significant, and also back then. So yeah, just to complete, if we break above the weekly moving average, then also after our pump we went above, then fell below it again, and would now break it again, and that would be actually quite similar to back here, how we came above, couldn't hold, fell below again, and yeah, this is a much broader time frame, but still, like, same trading patterns, cycles repeat in this sort of way. So this is very significant, and yeah, as I said, if we get a green 2 above green 1, then this could be a trade which will get into the 10,000s quite quickly. I mean, I think like 9,000 would be a very healthy target, at least, and maybe it won't, yeah, blah blah blah, but I think this is the most likely scenario actually. So yeah, looking at a 3-day time frame. Also, later I will be talking about a video which a chart which I posted like a couple of weeks ago, or like 1 week ago, I don't know, whatever, which I posted in TradingView, and I said I would make a video about it. Yes, this is very much delayed, but yeah, I said I've been busy. So also, if we break the 3-day, 100-day moving average, it will be of importance. The 3-day time frame has been very nice. You can see like this sort of inverse head and shoulders, which was playing out on a 3-day time frame. Price has been rejecting this channel like perfectly. On the bottom, in the middle, the median, you can see right here, very nice, very high significance of support and resistance, especially when it comes to resistance. It has been a very very significant. So yeah, and also like price bouncing like 2 times after this, even after our huge reversal candle on the 3-day time frame, which I thought would get us back to at least the median, and actually like maybe even like to, yeah, the median would be normal. So yeah, this is also also the lucid stars are coming down, and we are very close to touching it. So there's very much resistance actually above our price. So yeah, of course, but if it breaks this resistance, then it will be of high significance. So on the daily time frame, we are now actually holding right here. I think this looks like, I mean, I think this is extremely beautiful actually. I don't know what you get off on, but I could get off on this. I mean, how price is holding in a certain level, how it's moving, how it's moving between lines, and how you can basically predict movements. I think there isn't anything better actually. So I'm quite sure I will be doing this at least for the majority of my life, and if not, then at least until I don't want you anymore. Or until I lose the fun in it. So yeah, we are now holding on a 100-day moving average, and this is so nice. I mean, this is a very good scenario for Bitcoin to break this level. and at least come back to the 200-day, which is around $9,000. It's declining now, but it's not too immense. We had our death cross, which was of significance in a sort of way. So yeah, I mean, I don't like death crosses. I don't trade death crosses. It was a death cross with a ascending moving average and a descending. I mean, yeah, you could talk, but I think they can just. I mean, moving averages cross and they cross again, and if you assume like this, like it doesn't seem too bad, and yeah, I don't know, like yeah, of course, moving averages cross when the trend reverses long term, but yeah, it's an indicator. They will cross. I mean, it's not like, oh my gosh, the death cross, the moving averages will cross. No, what are we gonna do? I mean, what the fuck? Like, it's a trend indicator. The downtrend, like, whatever. Yeah, I don't. Okay. I mean, if you of course, if you can make money, then do it. So yeah. This is the daily. I don't think there's too much to talk. We had our 9 yesterday, and actually this was 1. So that's interesting. I don't actually know what it means. I have to get into this a bit deeper to understand what is happening. But that we get a 9 and we don't get rejected immediately or next day, and even almost get higher is very interesting. And this could be a count into a double 9 with another 9 count into the moving averages and maybe even beyond. So yeah, next resistance will be around this level. Also, we broke our setup trend line of the TI indicator sequential. You can see it right here. And I will actually close this. This is getting a bit cluttered. Still recording. Yeah, 70 minutes. I think this could be like a 40-minute video. Okay. So yeah, daily also looking bullish. I mean, look how you can trade this stuff. Like you can set stop orders right there. Trade to the downside. And if it breaks, even if it breaks, you can still enter trades not below it or whatever. When it breaks, you can enter trades, and you would have made a nice trade of many percent. And also, even if you miss the opportunity and the prices per here, set and buy orders slowly above it, and look where you would have entered right at this level, and also very nice gains. I mean, I didn't do it. I have to get comfortable doing it. But yeah, a very nice indicator. So I love it. Yeah, and so moving on. I think I talked about this, and this will be of importance. What the Hakinashi will say regarding price. I don't know what it like. We have to get above 8,000 right here. So this would be like 3. I don't know what I'm talking. Like 1% is, yeah, like 3%, like 3% gains we would have to make, and this would be right here, like in the vicinity of 8,500. So yeah, this would be important if this gets a green candle. So excuse me, I have to drink for a sec. Oh gosh, damn it, it was good. Okay. Excuse me. So, there's a lot to talk. Please look into it closer. I don't know how in depth I will get. But so yeah, this is looking at the whole lifetime of Bitcoin almost on Brave New Coin Liquid Index, BLX. Excuse me. Okay. Wait. Okay. So, well, this channel it's awesome. It's amazing. I don't know how you want to call it. I mean, as I said, I think this is like extremely beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So to get in depth a little bit closer, we had this channel. It's very common. We have also this middle line, which was of high importance. As we went above it, we went parabolic. As we went below, we get very bearish. Went to the downwards channel. If we now get back above, then this will be very interesting. This could, I mean, if I like use this, the drawing tool, we could have like this, like that, and then like this, like that, like this, that, like slowly right here. Then we get then we break it at 20,000, and we get right here, and we trade like that, and then we test it again, and if we break above and moving here along, and no, I mean this is not too likely, but like get then go parabolic, like I mean I shouldn't have drawn this better, but go into this vicinity. And why there, I can tell you. Like I'm gonna do this a bit better. So like that, move here and moving like there, and then like here, and then like here, maybe like this, and then go back below it again. So why it is would be, so we made gains from, and I wrote this down right here, from the high, and this is P1, from the high of the last bull market to the next, or to the high of the next bull market, and that is measured here too, from this high to the next high of the bull market, and this would be done from this high to the potential next target of the bull market, of the upcoming, or still, or actually now running bull market. So yeah, this is P1, P2, P3. This is a trend line, or this is the length of the bull market. One length of the bull market from the low, of the bull market, of the bear market, to the high of the next bull market, from the low of bear market to bull market, and that's same measured here. Yeah, and that's gonna, that's C1, T1, T2, and potential T3. And actually, this would be interesting too. I mean, you could also maybe do it like that and measure this, but whatever, not too important yet. This is a trend line, and this is a channel line, C1, C2, C3, and potential C4. Yeah, okay, so that's that. And to get in depth why drawn like this, you can see we made gains of like 3,652 thousand, or 3,600%, and here we gained 1,500. And why I measure like this is you can see it here, approximate decrease of percentage gains, 60% from high of past bull market A to high of past bull market B, and so forth. And you can see the decrease This would mean that we would have decrease from like 1500 to 60 to 600 to 200 624 ish percent gains. This is measured like that. Our approximate length, L1, L2, L3, and possible L4, even moving on. Approximate increase of the length of any bull market would be from bear market bottom to peak of falling bull market by about 50%. So you can see right here, 109 bars from low bear market to high bull market. Same here, and this would be then from low to the possible length, and this is always measured by an increase of 50%, so times 1.5, and this would bring us also to this level of the high for next bull market to be in March, February of 2023. What am I talking? Yeah, this is, yeah, okay, yeah, sorry. So also leading to this vicinity, and then what is interesting, the channel lines, the angle decreases and gets actually flatter on the top, also on the bottom, but looking at the channel line is like very important in my opinion. You can see approximate percentage decrease of the angle of the channel lines drawn from bull market top to top of first significant, or from bull market top to first significant rise in the price, and after bear market and showing its end. Yes, channel line right here is from this high to the run up, which then broke it. Is like minus 52 degrees. From high to run up to its to run up, which then broke it. And consolidation below, you can see always a consolidation below. Then minus 13. This is minus this is minus 10. This isn't right. That's right. So I think like that actually. What? Okay, I made some mistakes. Man. What? Okay. I have to work on this. Sorry. What? But like measured like this, it's okay. I made some mistakes. Well, this is the approximate decrease of the angle. So regarding the trend lines, approximate decrease of the angle of trend lines drawn from bull market top to bear market bottom. From bull market top to bear market bottom. Decrease of the angle by about 50%, and you can see it was back then 20, then 9, 10, now it's 45. Would be the possible scenario for the price to move along this line. But this would actually then have to be like that to find a low in this channel. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. so this would all like lead into the vicinity of like $15,000 ish, like $20,000 to $15,000. So very interesting, all in all. And yeah, you should check it out on my profile right here. You can see it right here, posted it, and yeah, there you can look at it. So okay, I think this is like, so okay, I just hope I covered most of what I wanted to. I mean, this is, I don't know about this. This is like very sideways moving. I'm too big of a fan of that. But it's very symmetrical. So there's that. Okay. Yeah, but this is looking nice, all in all, for Bitcoin to move higher. Okay, so I think I just ended. I'm losing my strength. I'm losing my already not present flow. So I'm gonna end it right here. Yeah, very interesting times for Bitcoin right now, and to be in Bitcoin. RSI picking up, like, yeah. I just ended. Okay, so I hope you got some of it, got something out of this, and yeah. I'll see you back next time. Yeah, go along, do your stuff, watch my videos, like, comment, subscribe. Okay, see you guys and girls, you people, back next time. Bye.